Benign Paroxysmal Positional Vertigo, or BPPV, is one of the most common forms of vertigo, affecting 2% of the population at some point in our lives. BPPV is caused by a problem with the inner ear, where a small calcium deposit forms and moves with gravity around the different angled canals of the inner ear. BPPV is positional as it is triggered by specific head movements, for example, turning your head to the left with rolling over in bed. Symptoms of vertigo are room spinning, disturbed balance, and nausea. BPPV typically resolves within a few weeks, but can be recurring. Your GP can give you anti-nausea medication, and physiotherapists can treat BPPV with a sequence of movements and positions, called the Epley Manoeuvre, that use gravity to reposition the calcium crystals.